Hi teacher, my name is Miriam Guerra. I study in Técnica Particular Loja University in 4th cycle. In this moment, I am going to talk about English language as a world language. English language has been described as a world language. For this reason, many people are studying and learning this important and necessary language. Speaking English language at the present time is a good advantage because this language offers to us a great and fast information in the communication. We can travel and communicate with foreign people without any problem. Also, this language helps in the development of the business because it is a way of the acquisition of important knowledge in several countries. In addition, this language has increasing and commercial exchange. On the other hand, I think there are few disadvantages. For example, people can make this language as a mother language, not as a second language, and they could lose their own identity. Besides, people can learn different culture and this will affect behavior people. Finally, I believe that another language might become our language in the future. For instance, Chinese language, because it is the most important country in the world business and modern technology. Thank you very much.